Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening settings right away so you can make the lock screen change. Sign in with the account tied to the profile you want to edit. Click the time in the bottom right, then the gear icon to open settings. This gets you into system controls quickly. Once in settings, look for People or Lock Screen and Sign In options. Those panels contain the lock screen wallpaper controls, and they're the first place to tell the system you want a custom image. Next, select Change Lock Screen or the Wallpaper option from the Lock Screen panel. This opens the image picker so you can choose a built-in photo or upload your own. If you upload, click My Images, navigate to the file, and select it. Chromebook accepts common formats like JPG and PNG. Use the crop and zoom controls to position the photo. These tools ensure the image fits the screen and the sign-in area. When it looks right, confirm to finally apply the selection and lock your Chromebook to verify the new lock screen wallpaper appears as expected. If you don't see the change, restart Chrome OS to clear temporary glitches and try again, because a quick reboot often resolves sync or cache issues. Make sure your account isn't restricted. Managed or supervised accounts may block custom lock screen images. In that case, contact your administrator. Once confirmed, you're done and the lock screen will show the chosen image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.